In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your accounting professional can access your books securely without sharing your personal login. Start by looking to the very top right corner of your QuickBooks screen. You'll see the familiar gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click that. A panel opens with different sections. Under the section labeled Your Company, select Manage Users. This area is the central hub for who can get into your company file and what they can do once they're in. Inside Manage Users, you'll notice two tabs near the top, Users and Accounting Firms. The Users tab is for inviting your internal team, like employees or bookkeepers who need day-to-day access. For our purpose today, click the Accounting Firms tab. This tab is designed specifically for your external accounting professional, giving them the tools and permissions they need to review your books, make adjusting entries, and help you stay compliant, without giving them the same experience as a standard user. Once you're on the Accounting Firms tab, look again to the top right of this page. You'll find a button there that you can use to invite your accountant. That's the control you need. On my end, I'm using a test account, so I can't fully complete the invitation here, and the option may appear unavailable in this sample environment. But if you follow these same steps in your own company file, you'll land on this exact screen, see that button in the top right, and you'll be able to proceed from there. A couple of quick tips to keep you on track. If you don't see Manage Users or the Accounting Firms tab, it usually means your user role doesn't have the right permissions. You'll want to be an admin or have an admin handle the invitation for you. Also, if you manage more than one company in QuickBooks, double-check you're in the correct file before you start. The settings gear always applies to whichever company you currently have open. To recap, gear icon at the top right, choose Manage Users under your company, switch to the Accounting Firms tab, and use the button in the top right to invite your accountant. That's all there is to it. Follow those clicks, and you'll be ready to collaborate with your accounting professional quickly and securely.